Hello everyone, welcome to Akshay Bhatt YouTube channel. Today I am going to give you a quick demo of a basic to-do application built using Flutter and powered by Back4App. We also have a new feature called Reminder, which I will be highlighting during the demo. Let's dive in and take a look at how it works. So left hand side is the Back4App. You can see already one user is being created, that is Akshay Bhatt. Right hand side is the UI part where good afternoon and the below thought will be changing based on the timings. So I will create a new user called Rohit. So the new user has been created and you can see Rohit as the name in the database. So here Rohit can upload his photo in the profile page, and this option we have given to upload his photo. Also Rohit can add the task. So this is a feature which we have been set in the starting. So when creating the task, Rohit can set the due date for the task. So he can prioritize the task based on this. So you can see due date is May 20. When Rohit has been done with this task, he can just tick this checkbox. This will be showing as this task has been done. Or if you want to delete this task, just swipe, it will delete. So I will log in with another user called Akshay Bhatt. So here you can see the list of tasks, and scalable service task is in red color, that is this due date is today itself and you need to be complete with this task. Also user can update the due dates by clicking edit button, and he can set for the date which you want to postpone, and you can just click on update. So this due date for this task has been 28th. So this is the basic application which we have been developed using Flutter with Back4App. Thank you.